again. We got the old snowcat loaded on the Duramax on the tilt bed trailer, and we're headed up to Right Hand Fork on Cedar Mountain above Cedar City, Utah. Gonna go up there and gather up a Polaris Ranger. I got the old Pucha Libre and Shelby Luhu with us today, so we're gonna go up there and have a pretty good old time, and we will take you along for the ride. Yeah. Well, should we go get her?
Yeah, we'll just follow her. I guess you can follow us first.
Okay, perfect. Duramax on a dirt road. I think it's going to be a snowcat on a dirt road in a minute. We want our mag mount today.
Are you going to lose the camera 6 times?
Well, I'll put it right there. I won't.
Or run it over again?
I watched that video.
You want to tip me up, Biff?
Yeah.
Come out of there better than I thought it was going to, but we just gave it a little bit of a bump just to see if it would move, and it moved pretty good. So here we are. Get the heck out of here and get back to that 80-degree weather. All right, well, we got that one taken care of, and we look out across the meadow and we have another one right about there. And they look like they are definitely stuck in that little Nissan or whatever they're driving. We're going to go see if they need help, and we'll get out there and see what we can do to help them out. And we'll go from there. Old Pop, she's excited. Go on, get out of here. Hills where I bit off more than I can chew. You'll be blessed. out with that or see what else we can do to get in here and get him, but what a mess. All right, well, we got the snowcat loaded and got this beast turned around down in there, and I didn't figure the thing would pull out that little truck. These things are really not that great at pulling. They don't weigh anything and they don't have a lot of traction. They have displacement, so they don't have a lot of ground pressure to grab any traction, but we're gonna probably make an assessment on it, maybe grab the Nodwell and run it up here. It's a really steep area that we would have to haul it to, so we'll see what we can figure out on that tonight and make a game plan for tomorrow. And if there wasn't, it's just too soft. Just can't get him out. He's mired clear down in on the frame, so probably the best tool for this job is the Nodwell, and if we decide to load it up and bring it in the morning, we'll bring the cameras along and we'll take you along for the ride. All right, we're over to Leeds on the frontage road along the freeway, and we're gonna put ourselves out of business because I'm sick and tired of coming out here 5 times a week. So we're doing you all a favor. Your GPS is wrong. Turn around. Get up in there. Get in. Good girl. What you doing? What you doing? All right, come on down. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Stick him. Get him. Stick him. Get him. Stick him. Get him. Oop. Get up in there. Stick him. What you got, Pop? Get him. Get in there and get him.